Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use copy formatting in Google Slides. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Google Slides. I can create different types of Google Slides over here. So if I just want to copy some informations, or example, I just want to copy some information from Wikipedia. So and I just want to paste this information into my slide. So I just click here to insert the text over here and I can paste over here. So it's text box over here and I just want to place this. So automatically the content, whatever content I copied, it will be pasted over here. So I want the same format of this font should be there. So while I just want to copy and paste the same font, automatically the font should be fixed in my table of content over here. So what I have to do here, simple and easiest trick I want to share with you. So this is the copy of the text. Just select the text. On your menu bar you will find option called paint format. Just hit the button paint format. Automatically it will copy the entire that style, and wherever you want you just drag, means automatically that style will be added in your style as you see here. So I just control A and reduce the size of the font, means automatically it will fix into that. So simple and easiest tip while you copy or paste any kind of content over here. I just want to copy this kind of font into this, means simple and easiest tip, just select this option and where you want you just drag, means automatically that font will be added into your slides over here. So simple as easiest way you can copy and paste over here. So I just to copy this text over here. So I want this kind of font should be placed, that aim, use, maintain, improve and physical abilities should be there. So I just want to copy the same content and font, means I can able to do that. What I have to do here, so I just copy this text over here and I just want to paste here and just select this font, go to paint format and just drag, means automatically that font will be added here. So I can able to reduce the size of my font, or I want to change the colors, I can able to make using this font color and size. I can able to make, but I want the same color, same size of font for to match entire slides, means I can use this option to create a different types of fonts over here as you see. So similar and easiest way to apply the text style and you can have access with your slides. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.